material science is applied as rotating rubber rollers strip away the protective green husks with surgical precision.
Intense air pressure instantly eliminates fine corn silk from the vibrant yellow kernels, ensuring a clinical finish. Specialized stainless steel blades engage the cob to separate the firm, moisture-beaded kernels from the core. A cascading waterfall of golden kernels flows into our automated collection system for immediate high-pressure processing. Our proprietary extraction process begins by subjecting the thick golden pulp to intense industrial centrifugal forces. High-velocity separation technology isolates the pure liquid nectar from the remaining fibrous material with clinical efficiency. We apply controlled thermal energy to pasteurize the corn milk, locking in natural flavors and nutrients. High-pressure homogenization units refine the liquid particles to create a perfectly smooth and velvety creamy texture. The refined golden liquid flows through clinical heat exchangers to achieve the ideal temperature for final storage.
The clinical bottling stage commences as sterilized glass containers move in perfect synchronization toward the filling station.
High-velocity ionized air blasts ensure that every bottle remains free of microscopic particles before receiving product. Precision filling nozzles descend with micron accuracy to deliver a consistent volume of our refined corn milk. Advanced industrial engineering allows for high-speed liquid transfer while maintaining the velvety integrity of the emulsion. Sophisticated laser-level sensors monitor every container to ensure absolute volumetric precision across the entire production line.
The final branding stage begins as our premium sweet corn milk bottles enter the high-speed labeling manifold.
Intense thermal energy is applied to secure protected neck sleeves, guaranteeing product safety and clinical tamper-proof integrity.
Advanced robotic actuators coordinate the high-speed case packing process, grouping bottles with synchronized mechanical efficiency and care. Our industrial robotic systems execute complex palletizing patterns to optimize logistics and ensure the highest distribution standards.